Hey, what's up guys, Nolan Shaw here, and it's been a while since I made a video, so here's just a fuck around I'm gonna do, is wash my car. Alright, enjoy. Alright, so here's a walk around the Civic after I've just cleaned it. May not be the best video review right now because of light, but here's a little walk around of it. Probably needs a little more cleaning, but I can do. Right now has the NVIDIA exhaust, the K-tuned intake. I have to put some springs on it, and there's a wind buffer off the camera's lens. And there's the car. More view of it. There it is, cleaned. And I'll try producing more videos more now, but I've been super busy.